Hello everyone, today we will step through the Shield tutorial documentation referencing the Nfpa 780 standard. This reference and tutorial documentation can be found on the tutorial document links on the start page, as well as going to the XGS Lab help desk where you can download the pertinent CAD files. To start, we have our project where we specified the Shield module. Then we will go to the project information where you can specify pertinent name or descriptions of the project information. These can also include customer, designer, and site information regarding your project, and all of this would be saved for automated reporting. Next, we can use the reference standard, which for Shield would apply towards the IEC or the IEEE 998 standards. Both of these would require calculation of various rolling sphere sizes or striking distance. For the Nfpa 780, we will use a specified 45-meter sphere for our rolling sphere. For this analysis, we will go to import our system or structure that we need to protect. Here, we have an illustration of our structure with the blue lines representing the structure that we want to protect from lightning strikes, and the yellow lines representing our lightning protection system. Going into our import window, we can navigate to the CAD file. We will specify the scale that we want to import this drawing, and then we will simply add the pertinent layers. Navigating to the LPS layer, we will specify this as a shield and leave the tag and delta Z. Next, we will import the structure information, which we will navigate to the structure layer of our drawing and specify this as a structure or a recipient that we want to protect from lightning strikes. Hitting the import, this will import all of the lines that are provided from our CAD tools. These will now be illustrated in the XGL CAD view, similar to how we saw them in the original CAD file. For this analysis, users could go to Calculate, specify the striking distance based off of the IEEE 998 standard, or whatever standard they've specified in the Reference Standards group box. For our application with the Nfpa 780, we will specify a 45-meter sphere size and also set the reference to Shield. Here we will hit Debug and Compute. At this point, it'll calculate the rolling sphere and what components of our structure may be hit by lightning. With a completed analysis, we can look at our view to see our reported values. Here we will see that our system is not protected, and we can zoom in to see the components of our system where we have the edge of our building exposed and could be struck by lightning. To mitigate this, we can go into XGL CAD and simply redesign our software or redesign our lightning protection system. So this could be as easy as setting your drafting to LPS and placing a conductor. And now we've added a new lightning rod. But we will follow the tutorial documentation, and going back to import, we will now import our protected system. Again, we will want to specify the scale and verify that our layers are appropriately set. Importing this, now we will have a new system layout that incorporates lightning rods in additional locations of our building. Hitting the debug and compute, we are going to evaluate this system based off of the rolling sphere methodology using that 45-meter sphere or striking distance. Looking at view, we can see the results of our system, and this will illustrate that we have now achieved a protected lightning protection system that is guarding or shielding from lightning strikes. Using the capture image, we can save images for our automated reporting. That will show up in our summary tab in the gallery, and will also be indicated when we go to the report, where you can export this automated report in various formats to illustrate the results of your lightning protection analysis.